Hi Joe, welcome back to my channel. Today we're filming my current favorite makeup routine that I practically do every day these days, and the products that I'm loving right now. Now, I already prepped my face, skincare and all, so I'm just going to take the Brightening primer that is luminizing and yeah, put it in the face. Actually, I love this primer because it also has skin properties. It's like CC Serum luminizer, and if you have dry skin, it'll be perfect. I love it in winter especially because it gives glow on the spot. Now, I also gonna talk about a little bit about the products that I'm interested in these days, like I want to purchase. One of them will be actually the Dior Glow Primer. I'm gonna post it so you could see. Oh my god, it's just, your skin is just glowy on the spot. Perfect. If you have dull skin or some pigmentation on your skin, that will just brighten up everything. Loving it. Actually, yeah, I have to purchase it again because I feel like it's already being finished. Okay. Now, skin is done. I always give a little bit, let's say 10 seconds, 15 seconds to sink in. The beauty blender is damp, and I'm gonna go with Dior Cuchion foundation. It's actually, I'm gonna use this brush. It's very fast, I love it, and it's very light texture wise, and I literally dab a little bit, like it's my daily basis makeup. I don't really use foundation that much. It's not exactly something I would say, oh, it covered everything. And I don't even use it for this reason. I was just a little bit of tone. Actually, I feel like it's being finished almost. I flipped the sponge on another side. Yeah. I mean, I've been having it for a while. Just look how pretty it sets. And it just gives such natural glow as well. It's semi-luminous, I think. It's not matte product. Normally, Cuchion foundations have a glowiness to them in a very mild way. At least this one. I love this one. Yeah, it was my go-to in summer. Now, this is done, and I always go with a beauty blender afterwards to really set in the makeup. Now, my favorite concealer will be Hourglass Vanish concealer. I've been using it since I got it like September, and it's being finished almost. But it lasts me for such a long time. But mind you, this is actually in color Cedar. You need such tiny bit because it's pretty intense. It's high coverage, but I like it because I need very small amount of a product, and I prefer to thin out the product than to have something very, very light and build up, you know, losing my time. Yeah, that's that, and I'm gonna use it as of a eye primer because nobody needs a separate eye primer, trust me. But it has to be very thin layer, literally. Just took it from here. And yeah. Then I will cover my imperfections. I have some red spots, especially this one. And it covers perfectly. That's it. Now Now, what else I want to get from Dior? The lip glow. I still want to get it. I didn't get it. It was on my wish list. I still didn't get it. So I want to get for summer something of this color, cherry. I really think I need it for summer. Now the powder. Oh, I discovered this powder. I rediscovered. I had it by the brand Makeup Factors, a German brand. It's mineralized powder. And because I needed to buy the new one, my Lancome broke and it was not comfortable to use anymore. And then I just saw that I have this powder and it's amazing. It's absolutely gorgeous. Mineral compact powder in medium I have. Number 2. I don't know if it's medium or something. But it's just so nice on the skin. And because it's mineralized, it doesn't have talc, I think. So I just pressed it very fast. And that's that. Actually, I also like to use my beauty blender and just go like this. Gives such a nice, yeah, I don't like to use photoshopped, you know, like, but it's like really photoshopped look. Pores are completely eliminated. Wonderful. Yet it doesn't give you powder effect because it's mineralized. Now I'm gonna use right away the brow gel, because later, this by Essence, because I want it kind of to dry off and later correct a little bit my eyebrows. I do almost nothing with my eyebrows these days, literally. At one point I let them grow so my hair, I have more hair, and then that's it. Like literally I never plug them or anything. I like my brows as they are. It saves me so much time in the morning. You wouldn't believe. And now, what else? Okay, well, let's go to the eyeshadow. I started using it a lot these days. Eyeshadow by Bobbi Brown in Heather. Love this cool toned taupey color. It's actually one of my favorite ones. So I'll just go with this brush, kind of half fluffy, half dense. Always kind of take off the excess of the eyeshadow by tapping. So the eyeshadows is distributed equally on the brush. I'll just go like this in the crease. It's my daily basis makeup. It's very fast. Now, actually I'm gonna apply it to my whole lid. And with another brush, MAC, I don't know, it's like most famous MAC eyeshadow brush, I think 216. Go with the same color here. I do put sometimes, use sometimes the purple eyeliner in between the eyelash, but I'm not gonna do it today, because today it's like literally very light, easy look. To intensify a little bit the corners of my eyes, I use the same color again and just press it more on the corners, and that's that. Love this eyeshadow so much. Pretty much can go for one and done eyeshadow. You just have to kind of use different techniques. Here it is, and a little bit on the corners here. That's that. I'm gonna do like again like this to diffuse, and that's that. Really loving this look. Now the the eyeshadow, the blush by Clinique 3-colored blush. What I do, I'll just mix all and go with the like really generous movements like this. Pretty much also kind of taking in my eyelid, because the colors are more or less the same of the eyeshadow, all taupey pink, so it won't disturb the whole effect, the color palette. Now maybe I will just go a little bit with the pink shade, a little bit more intense afterwards. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of this more contour-like color and go here. It's like sort of like bronzering thing. Nose. That's that. I'm gonna quickly curl my eyelashes. Oh yeah, another thing I constantly making. Of course, I'm using the one shadow from Lisa Eldridge palette. Really liking this palette so much. I used to use it a lot like January, February, but now I want something more light, pinky. But I'm gonna use one of her luminous eyeshadows. What's the color? Oh, it's Supernova. Interesting. And put it in the middle of my eyelid, so it like reflecting. Always nice, always nice. I never miss this step in my makeup. Now what else? That's it, I think. Well, that's it. No, I discovered a very funny tip to put a highlight to highlight your lip. This is NYX, this is contour highlight. I'm using the highlight only, putting in the middle of my lip. Actually, oh wait, first we do the eyelashes, okay? This is Elizabeth Arden, no, not Elizabeth, Estee Lauder, their Sumptuous Extreme mascara. I'm loving it these days. This is my old favorite actually. I used to have it, then I finished it, and recently I went to Sephora, got several mascaras, small versions by the way, mini versions, to test, to remember if I like them or not, or I change my mind. And yeah, absolutely gonna get the big version of it. Now very light. What yeah, the highlight for the cheeks, I use this one from Ghost Palette by Hourglass, one of the most elegant and completely undetectable almost, but very nice outside in the sun. It always gives that such a nice highlighted glow, but very but so subtle. Loving it. Now I'm gonna put a little bit more here. The point is to highlight your lips. And then I'm going to use just the gloss. Oh no, first I need to use the lip liner. Now I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown that is almost over, like literally over. But I want to contour a little bit. My favorite color in pale mauve. Now, these are the lips with the gloss. I'm using this kind of a beigey pink gloss by the brand, Polish brand Nem. It's called Latex Lip Gloss. Such pretty lip gloss, honestly, very elegant, very, I don't know, just liking it. And I'm gonna just use it, but a little bit. I want to keep my highlighted lip a little bit intact. I don't even know if I have some effect. I think with this highlighted kind of lips, you need to use transparent lip balm. But okay, I'm loving this lip gloss. I'm using this gloss all the time. This highlighted lips I use sometimes. But yeah. Now, and this pretty much it. Sometimes I fill in my eyebrows a little bit with this MAC pen, but literally this much. Nothing more. What else I wanted to get? I wanted to try new Givenchy concealer. The Prisma Libre concealer, I think it's called, very much. My Hourglass is being finished, so I'm thinking to get that one. And you know, this is pretty much it. I don't really want to get anything. I have everything. If I need a little bit of a little bit more pinky glow on my cheeks, I will use this Dior. And just, normally I do it during the day if I want to like fix my blush. I will do that. And that's that. This is my look. I already clipped. Oh my god, I have so many clips. Actually, I love doing this makeup because actually I'm going to see my friend that I haven't seen for a long time. She came from London. And yeah, I'm ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumb up if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.